4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. More changes to the field as the batsman looks on. He'll live and fight another day. A good decision to avoid that one. Such a perfect length from the bowler. The batsman was in two minds there. Good thinking by the batsman. Leaves the delivery. Runs to end the over. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. Good batting. Well left by the batsman. Got him with an easy catch in the end. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. That's a good throw by the fielder, getting right back at the stumps. With a hop, skip and a jump up the ropes. 4 to the batsman. The bowler tries for something new here. A change of sides signalled by the umpire. It's in the air. Got it! If that finds a pair of hands, it's a 4 off the over's last ball. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now, keeping things interesting. It's around the wicket this time. A good lead by the batsman. He flicks it away onto the onside this time for more run. Took the pace off the ball with that brilliantly timed dive. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. Could have easily nicked the bat. He flicks it away onto the onside this time for more runs. The ball is not stopping for anyone. from the bowler. That's a fine delivery. Fielders are making their move in the ground.
Come on.
This should be taken, and oh, he has missed it. What a shocker. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. The bowling side has decided to continue the medium pace onslaught. A change of sides requested by the bowler. He's onto something special here. Looks like they're going to go up to the third umpire. The third umpire has been asked for. Too fine a call to make on sight. Edged and caught. Infrared to confirm. There's a blip on the hotspot and it's all over. An unfortunate lapse in timing and he's out. He just has to stick to the basics and play. A good shot selection, drives the ball through the offside. The batsman might be in trouble here. He has to push to stay on. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. The batsman has found the gap through the fielders in the deep square with a gentle push. They've gone to monochrome and zoomed into the hotspot. It looks close. It's all clear, and the batting side is relieved. He's safe. That's well left. Better safe than sorry. He bowls one slower through the air this time. That's given out by the umpire. Looks like they'll go up for the review. There's no quarter for the batsman. Another scalp collected. He is the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and anchor the innings.